What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Dimitri Jackson. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let's get in today's video. So obviously, surprise, surprise, I got a perm. So I'm gonna be talking about my perm, why I got a perm. A lot of people so far like my hair, and they say I look more attractive. Like, thank you for all you ladies that say I'm attractive. Like, that makes me feel so good. I'm single. Anyways, but my hair makes me feel so fine. So fine. It's funny. I don't know. I feel like a different person. I'm gonna be honest. But I'll be talking about why I got a perm. People asking me like, why you got a perm? Like, that looks good, that shit looks fire, but why'd you get a perm? Like, so I'm gonna be telling you guys why. So the reason why I got a perm was because, honestly, I got a perm because I've been wanting to get a perm for a long time. Since I was like, I'm gonna say like 12. I was like 12. I wanted to get like a perm, like really bad. But I mean, my parents used to get my hair cut. I didn't start making money until like this year, this year. So like now, since I make money, it like feels good, and I can buy whatever I want. I can get the haircut I want, and I can get the perm what I want. And since I make money now, that's why I got my perm. And I just want to thank all you guys for watching my videos, because you guys support me very much and make me want to do videos every day. So thank you very much. But now that I work, I have money, and I have YouTube, I have extra money to get a perm. And I didn't really ask my mom, I just did it. My friends knew, and they would tell me like, oh, when are you gonna get a perm? When are you gonna get a perm? Like, when are you gonna get a perm? And I was like, wait, like, I have to like grow out my hair. So I grew out my hair for 2 months straight, like 2 months straight. The first month I went, they were like, oh, if you get a perm, it's gonna look like a granny. Your hair's gonna look like a granny because your hair's short. And I was like, damn it, like, I thought I was gonna get my perm that day. And like, well, it was funny, embarrassing, because I was thinking, I'm like, I'm gonna get a perm today, this and this and this. But I didn't end up getting a perm because my hair was too short, and they just said to wait. So they told me to wait for like October. No, I got in October. They told me to wait a month. But I didn't get it till November. I don't even know. I think it was 2 months or 3 months. And I went back. My hair was growing like a Chewbacca, like fucking all everywhere. Like, I had hair like going right here, like it was bad. But like, I wanted that perm I wanted that perm really bad. I was like, damn, if like I grew up, like I was this point of cutting my hair. I was this point cutting my hair. But I was like, damn, like no, like I've been growing out for my hair for 2 months now. And I'm not just gonna throw all that shit away, all the hair I grow out for nothing, just because I don't wanna wait another week. Cause I only needed another week left. So I waited another week, and finally I set the appointment, and I'm like, damn, I'm gonna get a perm. Like, that's crazy, like that's just crazy. But the reason why I got a perm was because when I was younger, like in my family, like half of my family, my cousins and stuff, they have curly hair. And like, I've always wanted curly hair. Like, my hair like is like straight, and then it turns like wavy, but like you have to have a lot of hair. But I've always wanted a perm. And I remember my cousin, like, he had curly hair, and he would tell me, like, I remember I went to go visit them at Fresno, and he was like, oh, we're gonna, like, you can get a perm. And I was like, really? He's like, yeah, it's like just 20, it's like something, he's like, it's like 40, it's like, oh no, I couldn't get it because I didn't have money, and like, I didn't really want to ask my aunt for it, even though she would do it because like she loves me and stuff. But like, I didn't do it. And then that same day, like, my mom surprised us because we were at my aunt's house for the summer, and my mom like automatically picked us up and we went home. So I was never able to get a haircut, and I wasn't able to get a haircut, and I wasn't able to get a perm. So, and that was like I was 12. So ever since that, I've always wanted a perm. But since I didn't make money, my mom would do my haircut. Like, my mom, since it was my mom's money, I didn't have no power. She's the one that picked my haircut, you know what I mean? And it is what it is, whatever. And I was like, when I'm older, I'm gonna do this. And now I'm doing it. Now, since I'm older, I have money, I got my perm, and I showed my cousin, and he liked it. He was like, damn, like you're gonna get all the females. Like that shit looks fire. And I was just like, damn, like my hair looks good. I feel confident. Like you don't even understand. Like I feel like a new person. And I don't know. It just like feels very cool. I got a perm, but I had to wait because my mom would get my hair cut. Like I didn't have an opinion for it until now. I grew out my hair, I got the perm, and I was like, damn, I'm gonna get my perm, this and this. And honestly, it felt good. But after I came home, my mom didn't know I got a perm for 2 days, like 2 days straight. Like, cause she works like in the night, and like in the day I work too, other aside from my YouTube and stuff. So like we don't really run into each other, and if we do, like my mom, like I guess she didn't know this because it was like dark, or if she was sleeping or whatever. But then 2 days after passed, and I remember that day she didn't go to work because like she had the day off or whatever. And like I was like, oh shit, like I'm gonna have to show her. And I was like, I hope in my head I'm like, I hope she doesn't get mad. But like even though she gets mad, like I don't care because it's my hair, you know what I mean? She didn't pay for it. And I went downstairs, and then she's like, something looks different. Did you get your eyebrows done? And I'm like, no, I don't. I was like, no, I don't even get my eyebrows done. And then I was like, no, it's my hair. And she's like, ¿qué? There's something that she has to do. Like, that she has something like that. Like, you curled your hair. And I was like, yeah. And then she didn't get mad. At first she said she didn't like it, that she missed my natural hair. But now I told her like I like it. And like I guess she saw that I liked it really much, that she just like, it looks good. Like I guess she was just like complimenting me to make me feel better. But yeah, so I'm happy that my mom likes it, my stepdad likes it, I like it. I don't care what they think, I like it, I bought it, you know what I mean? But that shit was good, and I'm happy for that. That's the end of the video. First of all, if you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe down below, right now. Pause this video, subscribe down below. Also, give a thumbs up. That would mean a lot to me. And we'll be back with another video. See you guys later.